Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, quickly and easily, I will show you how to connect your ChatGPT to n8n. So guys, you need to go to OpenAI official website to the very home page. After that, hover over this button right here and select API platform. Okay, now the new page will appear. And now, of course, insert your email address. Let me just log back in. Okay, now in this screen, press on API reference right here. You need to press on organization settings. And now just press on create new secret key. Now just name it, for example, test123, default project, and create secret key. Okay, now copy it. Now back to our n8n, create new, now ChatGPT, which is going to be named as OpenAI. Now let's choose the first one, it doesn't matter. Now let's maximize this, and guys, just add a new credential. Okay, now in here, just insert this API key, press on save, and as you can see, connection tested successfully, and now our ChatGPT by OpenAI is successfully added to our n8n, and now you can automate your workflows. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, press like on it, leave a comment if you need any further help, subscribe, and of course enjoy. I will see you in the next video.